Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to replace formatter board in Canon E470 printer. Canon E470 printer, because in this printer the formatter board is not working. So that I am going to replace using this board. This is a new board. I am going to replace into this Canon E470. First, what I am going to do is I am going to remove this paper holder, that is input paper tray holder. So after removing this, right, so you have to open two screws. Here one screw, see here one screw, another one screw is here, right. I am going to remove these two screws. Right, and one more screw is here, right. So I have removed both screws, right. Keep carefully. Then what I am going to do, I am going to open this control panel cover. This is the control panel cover. For this you need one minus screwdriver, right. Using this minus screwdriver, just lift this up. Right, that's all, right. Then slowly and give little bit pressure, then it will come automatically, right. Okay, so I have removed this control panel cover, right. Then after that you have to remove this switch. See here, these things you have to remove. For this, using this minor, just lift up, right, lift up. So you maintain this also carefully, right. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to remove these two screws, one screw here, right. So remove these two screws. Maintain the screws properly, right. Then see, just this sensor notch is here, just keep like this. Then remove the control panel board. I think one more screw is there, sorry. Totally 3 screws are there. One more screw is there. So now give the pressure in sensor, then it will come like this. Just remove this cable, like this. So carefully you have to remove, because the support blue should not get away. Okay, that is very important. Then maintain this control panel properly. Then what you have to do, you have to remove the scanner. For this, just lift the back side, and using this minus, front side you give here little bit pressure. That's all, right. Then remove this panel, also remove this scanner cable. See, this is the scanner cable. Remove this scanner cable. Then the scanner unit will come away. Then take the scanner unit, keep it carefully, right. See here, this is the formatter board. This board I am going to remove from this printer, right. First, what I am going to do, I am going to remove this cable and this cable, right. After that, see, remove the supporter, and keep it carefully, right. And remove this cable and this cable carefully remove this and this cable, and this is the carriage assembly unit cable. This is the carriage assembly unit cable, right? So now the board is free. So you have to remove this screw. Remove this screw and one more screw here. Remove 2 screws, right? Simply remove this board. Simply remove this board. I have taken out this board. I have taken out this board. Then I am going to place the new board. I am going to place the new board. This is a new board. I am going to place, right? Same way you have to insert. See, simply insert like this, right? Right, that's all. Okay. Then fix the screw. Right? Fix the screw like this. And fix this also. And connect all the ribbon cables, right? Now one by one you have to connect. See, so connection is very slowly you have to do. One cable finished. Another cable finished. Insert properly. The complete side hose have to go inside and insert this cable. Insert properly. This is the carriage assembly cable. That is very lengthy cable, lengthy ribbon cable. You have to connect properly. Right? Connected, and also fix all the remaining cables. Right? Fix all the remaining cables. So to test, simply connect this lead with this control panel. Fix it properly. That is very carefully you have to fix, because the cable and all very soft and simple. So now I am going to test this whether it is working or not. I have connected. Then I am going to switch on. The cable. Because I said, you have to carefully you have to connect this cable. This is very important. Which is not working, but there is a problem in this, I think, power unit. Okay, this is the way to fix the formatter board into Canon E470. After fixing that, you try to initiate your printer. Surely it will work, but here some more problem is that maybe this power unit have some problem. This power unit have some problem. I am going to replace this power unit. Then I am going to check this. Right? Okay. Because of, I thought the formatter board got problem, so that I have replaced. Now which is not working. Then I am going to check this adapter. I am going to check this adapter. If the adapter is adapter. So if there is any problem, I am going to replace the adapter, right? Okay, well and good. This is the way to replace the formatter board in Canon E470, right? So maintain these cables and fixing these cables, you have to be very careful. See what way I have removed the cable, the same way you have to place the cable, because the distance between scanner unit cable and this formatter board is very less. So you have to place it properly, otherwise it will give trouble. The way I have removed, the same way you have to remove, the same way you have to place it back. That is very important. Have a nice day. Welcome.